My name is Harshvardhan Chaudhary, and I made a PPT on high pressure boilers in which we are we are discussing about working and maintenance procedure of high pressure boilers. First one, Lamont Boiler, working principle and the working. A Lamont boiler is a boiler which works on a principle of forced circulation maintained by a steam driven centrifugal pump. In Lamont boiler, water is supplied through an economizer to a separating and storage drum. The drum is set internally to boiler. The feed water is supplied to evaporating section with the help of centrifugal pump. While passing through evaporating section, the water gets heated and some quantity of water vaporized. This mixture of water and steam is then supplied to the separating and the storage drum from evaporating section. In separating and storage drum, the steam is separated. This separated steam passes through superheater tubes where it further heated due to heat gained from the flue gases. This steam becomes superheated and can be taken out to supply it to required application. The level of water in the drum is kept constant by supplying feed water equivalent to the steam evaporated. Now we will discuss about the Benson boiler. So same as the working principle and the working. The Benson boiler is a boiler which works on a principle that to increase the pressure of water up to critical value, that is 225 bar, to convert under into steam without boiling. In this boiler, the water is passed through the economizer where it gets heated. This hot water is then sent to radiant evaporator where the major portion of water is get converted into the steam. The remaining water is get evaporated by absorbing the heat from hot gases passing over the surface of convection superheater. The superheated steam at supercritical pressure, that is 255 bar or the 225 bar, is then sent to a prime water move, that is engine or turbine, to produce the useful work. Now we will discuss about the maintenance of high pressure boilers, that is Lamont boiler and the Benson boiler. Its maintenance of both boilers are somehow the same. So we will now discuss about the maintenance procedure. First one, boiler inspection. The boilers are required to be tested regularly as per the Indian Boiler Act. Before inspection, boiler should be made empty and all the manhole doors, caps, mud drums, fire bars, front and breech plates, oil burners, etc. should be removed and boiler should be cleaned. All tubes, smoke boxes and external flues should be cleaned and checked. All steam and water connections should be disconnected and then it should be made ready for conducting following steps. The following steps are: first one, hydraulic test, and second one, the steam test. The in the first one, which is the hydraulic test, we will see hydraulic test is conducted to find out the leakages in steam boiler. For this test, the mounting should be fitted tightly except the safety valves. The openings of safety valves should be closed. All joints should be tight and leak proof. Generally, the boilers are tested at a pressure equal to the twice the working pressure of boiler. The second test is the steam test. The this test is conducted to check whether the safety valves operate properly to relieve the steam. When the steam pressure inside the boiler exceeds the rated pressure, this operation is tested keeping the feed valve and the stop valve closed. Thank you and Jai Hind.